Hello to all developers and entrepreneurs. Today, let's talk about how to cut costs and save time when creating floor plans. Let's explore all the advantages that AI Get Floor Plan can offer you. Let's dive into the world of artificial intelligence and its comprehensive capabilities for optimizing the development process. Are you ready to learn how to increase efficiency and reduce expenses? Then let's get started. Cut costs. Save time. The comprehensive advantage of AI Get Floor Plan for developers. AI Get Floor Plan is revolutionizing the real estate marketing landscape, offering developers a suite of key advantages that position this tool as indispensable in today's market. These features make the solution particularly appealing to marketing executives for several compelling reasons. Cost efficiency in marketing spend. Traditional companies might charge around $130 for a single floor plan. In contrast, AI Get Floor Plan performs the same task for just $20. A batch of 10 floor plans, which would typically cost $1,300 with competitors, is priced at only $200 with us. This represents a substantial 85% saving on your marketing budget. Branding integration in virtual tours. We provide an opportunity to embed your brand directly into virtual tours, enhancing brand recognition and customer loyalty. This feature ensures that every potential buyer immerses themselves in the project while continuously engaging with your brand identity, strengthening the connection with your company. Rapid turnaround for large volumes. While other services might offer to develop 10 floor plans over 3 to 7 days, AI Get Floor Plan promises to deliver any volume of orders within just 24 hours. This capability means you can bring your projects to market much faster. The inclusion of an API for transferring large data volumes guarantees seamless integration with your systems and accelerates workflows. Personalized approach to each project. Our global experience with developers allows us to tailor the style and approach to each project uniquely. For instance, for an American developer in need of 25 layouts, we proposed our Scandi style and then fine-tuned it to match the specifics of their property, achieving impressive results that fully met their expectations. Variety of styles for personalization. Additionally, we offer a wide range of visualization styles, including specialized options for developers like Whitebox and Gray Shell. These styles enable developers to present potential buyers with various finishing and layout options, making the projects more attractive and personalized. With AI Get Floor Plan, you not only save on your marketing budget, but also receive a product that aligns perfectly with market needs and buyer preferences. And of course, we are pleased to offer you the opportunity to use the promo code DEVPS, which gives you a 35% discount on your first order. Don't miss the chance to optimize your design process and take it to the next level of efficiency with Get Floor Plan. Try it today and discover the advantages of cutting-edge technologies in interior design. Don't forget to hit the like button if you're ready to take your plans to the next level, and subscribe to our channel to get more tips and ideas to stand out in the real estate development world. Until next time, happy building!